Hi, so this is Shukatsu. When I started to come to this version of DevCamp, I got really excited about how they were going to be working on AI and specifically the Apple Intelligence. I thought, oh, this is great. This will be a whole lot of fun. I have the perfect project for this. And what I did is I've been working on this app called Shukatsu. And Shukatsu is a job hunting app. Comes from the Japanese uh, tradition of when college students are in their third year, they go hunting for jobs from the kaisha, the big companies, and pick a company that they're going to probably spend their life at. Anyway, when people make applications to jobs, they generally do more than one. And currently on YouTube, there's all kinds of videos with people stating that they've applied to more than 1,000 different places. Well, how do you keep track of that? Well, that's very difficult. A spreadsheet's just not the way to do it. And a database is really the way to put it together. So what I did is I created a Macintosh application using SwiftUI and core data to keep track of the data. And what we have here, are our opportunities, which are new jobs. And you can create a new opportunity by coming up here and selecting new opportunity. And then you fill in the information that you're going to use. In the future, I may automate this, but currently it's a by hand thing. And you can see you can get multiple different jobs. You can list them by name, sort them by name. You can sort them by status. You can set the status up here. Um, which changes the ordering over here if they're by status. So, um, then there's a lot of neat little things like searching. It will search through everything and it starts searching as you're doing stuff. And you can even select through the different things that it finds. Another thing that's quite nifty about it is you can have multiple profiles. So let's say you have um, different people, so they've got different things going on, or you have, a couple of different types of job faces or that you want to apply to. So the neat thing that I added to this one is the ability to um, customize a cover letter. And um, Dan and Kenji helped me significantly to learn how to implement the Apple AI. And we finally got the Apple AI hooked up and wired up late last night, just before closing. So I spent the whole night working on implementing this section. Now, the first thing I did was a summary. So if we click on summary, what happens is it uses the Apple AI to create a quick summary of the current job opportunity. And that's really cool. And so we'll see over here, it took this information within the record of the job opportunity and then gave us a nice summary. And we can hide that. And now we're going to work on the cover letter. So we click up here to generate a cover letter, and it will use the Apple AI to create a cover letter. And now we have our cover letter right here, and it's all set to go. And then what we can do is we can click on this button, and it will send it. It'll open a new file in Apple Pages. So I'll do that and then switch over to Apple Pages. And I think it's this one. A little bit slow here. Didn't get it. Let's try that again. Still didn't get it. Well, apparently it doesn't let me. So we'll go desktop. There we go. So as you can see now, here's our cover letter that it made for us, and it's sent it over to Apple Pages where we can edit it. And so that's basically it. It's pretty simple. Um, and but it took quite a bit to have this put it together. And let's go back to Shukatsu, and here we go. And so as you can see, um, the cover letter that it developed over here, it's sent over to Apple Pages through inter-application communication. And that's basically it. It's real straightforward, simple, easy to use. There is contacts also, which we looked at a little bit when we did the search. As you can see here, it lists opportunities and then it also lists contacts. And so we can get to either contacts or opportunities. And there we go. Well, thank you very much for checking out my project.